Order by close. In this video, we will learn what is order by close and how to use order by close with select statement. So, the SQL Server order by close is used to sort the records in your result set. The order by close can only be used in select statement. So here we have syntax of order by close: select, then column list from table name, then where condition, and then after that order by, and then columns list, and then ASC and DESC. ASC stands for ascending, DESC stands for descending. So when you use order by, and if you don't use ASC or DSC, in that case it's by default ascending, that means ASC. Alright. So let's see how can we work with order by close in SQL Server. So first open new query editor, then AdventureWorks database. Inside this we have table human resource.employee, so we will use this table for order by close. So select login ID, job title, hire date from human resources dot employee. All right. Now first execute your query as it is. So you can see your records for these three columns. Now if you want to sort your records on the basis of hire date column, so for that what you will do, after writing this table name, here I'll use order by and then column name. Alright, hire date. Now I am not using any of the keyword ASC or DSC. Now select this and execute this. See, your data is sorted in hire date format. So you can see your data is sorted in every manner, year wise, month wise, and date wise as well. You can see this is 2007 January 26, and here you can see it's 2007 November 11. All right, then December. So this is how your data is fetched. All right. Now if you use ASC, in that case select your query and execute this. The data is same, right? And now if you want to see your record in descending order, so select this, and now at the place of ASC we use DESC. Now select this and execute this. Now you can see your record is sorted in descending order. So you can see is 2013 May 30, and then 2013 March 14, right? So it's in descending order date wise. All right. So we sort our records only on single column. We can sort our data on the basis of two columns. So how to do that? Select this, and then here we used hire date in descending order, and now here I'll use job title ASC, comma. So your job title will come in ascending order and the dates for that columns will become in descending order. Okay. Now select this and execute this, right? So you can see our all records in job title is in ascending order. All right. And if you see your hire date, which we had mentioned descending order for that, so you can see we have two records for accountant, and you can see the hire date is in descending order, 2009 March 8 and 2009 Feb 18. All right. So this is how your order by works with multiple columns. All right. Now we can sort your records without writing the columns name. We can sort records by given the order number of your column which is written over here. All right. So copy this and paste here. Now I want to apply order by on this column number 2 and column number 3. So what you will do, order by 2 comma 3. So if I don't use anything descending and ascending, so both columns will sort on the ascending format. So select this and execute this. So you can see job title and hire date, both columns sorted in ascending order. All right. So this is how you can work with. So this is your order by close. Now you can see your sorting is done on all the 290 records which you have on your table. Now if you want to do sorting on some selected rows, so what you will do for that, we will select this and I'll paste over here. And now first we will use where close, where, and then vacation hours between 20 and 30. All right, and after the where close we will write order by job title. All right, and ascending. Fine. So if you have where close in your query, so always first where will come and then order by will come. Now select this and execute this. Now you can see your all data has been sorted and you only fetched 30 rows because of this where condition. All right. So what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned what is order by clause and how to use order by clause in select statement. Thank you.